Dear friends, welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial by OpenTalk. In this course, we'll discuss all the things about Microsoft Excel. We'll go through from very beginning to advanced level. So when you're ready, let's get started. Microsoft Excel is one of the most used software of all time. Hundreds of millions of people around the world using Microsoft Excel. You can use Excel for enter all sort of data and perform financial, mathematical and statistical calculations. Let's start by selecting cell, row and column. You can see every boxes here is called cell. You can select any cell by clicking that cell. To click C3 cell, click here. Remember to select cell C3. Click on the intersection of column C and row 3. Column C here and row 3 intersection. Here you can see A, B, C, D. This is called column. To select any column, just click on the header of that column. To select F column, click the F column header. To select C column, click here. On the other hand, you can see the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called a row. To select any individual row, click that row's header. Like click on 5, you can select the whole 5 row. Similarly, if you click on 9 header, you can select that row. Remember, only header. If you click on header, this row will be selected. Now we're gonna discuss about range. What is range? A range is a collection of two or more cells. If we click anywhere like C4 and drag it to anywhere, then it will be a range. Remember, a range is collection of two or more cells. So here, this is a range. We have seen that you can click or select any individual cell. You can select any individual column or row. What if you want to select any individual cells, like multiple cells? Then you have to click first cell, then press Ctrl from your keyboard, then press another cell, then press another cell. So pressing Ctrl from your keyboard, you can select multiple cells at the same time. To write anything on any cell, just place your cursor in that cell and start typing like 2. Now I'll show you how you can fill a range. You can see if you move your cursor to lower right corner, it will show you like a plus icon. Now all you have to do is the left key from your mouse and drag it to anywhere. Now you can see all the cells are filled by that number 2. This dragging technique is very important and you will use it very often in Excel. Here's the another example. Let's enter 2 in D4 cell, you can see. Then if we press enter, it will move down. Then enter 4. Now select this 2 cell and click on lower right corner and drag it to at the same level. Now you can see it automatically fills the range based on the pattern of first 2 values. That's pretty cool, huh? Here's the another example. Let's enter date in E4 like 6/13/2016. Press enter. Let's enter another one like 6/16/2016. Okay, now select those 2 cells and click on lower right corner and drag it to the same level. You will see a magic. We will discuss about autofill later on. Now I'll show you how you can move a range or cell. First, select the cell or range you want to move, like this range. Click any border of that range here, then drag it to anywhere. I mean anywhere you want to put your value. Like here, you can see your value will be moved to new place. By same way, you can copy paste any range. Like select that range, click on the border, click or press Ctrl C from your keyboard, or click copy from here or cut. Let's press Ctrl C. It will be copied, and place your cursor to new location and press Ctrl V. Remember, to control any data or range, you have to press Ctrl C, or to move or cut any data, you have to press Ctrl X, and to paste it, you have to press Ctrl V. You can work by clicking the icon, paste icon, copy icon, cut icon. Now I will show you how you can insert a new row or new column. Suppose we want to enter a new row above this number 5 row. So all you have to do is just click that row header and right click from your mouse and then click insert. Then you will show your new row will be inserted above that row. Same way, you can insert new column by clicking any column header and click insert. Now I will show you some autofill example. You can use autofill in Excel to automatically fill a series of cells. Let's type January, then February. Let's select these two cells, right lower corner of that cells, and drag it to anywhere. You can see it will automatically filter up month's name. Let's see another example. Type product 1. Click on the right lower corner and drag it to anywhere. You can see it will increase by product name. Let's see another one. Type Friday. Click on right lower corner and drag it to anywhere. You can see the magic. Let's talk about custom list. If you create a custom list in Excel, you can easily fill a range with your own list of departments, clients, CDs, credit card number, etc. This can save you time. Let's type sun and click lower right corner and drag it to anywhere from left to right. Now I will show you how does Excel know that. This custom order, the autofill. On the file tab, click option. Under advanced, go to general. Here you can see this is general. Now click on edit custom list. Here you can make your own custom list. Like click here, add. Now start typing like Dhaka, Faridpur, Madaripur, Borishal. Don't worry, it's our city name. Right, click OK. Finally click OK. Now if you type Dhaka and click on lower right corner and drag it to anywhere, you can see your own custom list will be shown here. So this will save you time. Now I will tell you how you can hide or show any column or row. To hide any columns, click on that column, right click on it and click hide. Sometimes it's necessary to hide any column. Similarly, you can hide any rows. Click header on that rows and click hide. If you want to unhide or show that column, select that rows, columns and click unhide. Similarly, select those rows and click unhide. Let's see example of pasting in transpose option. You can use paste a special transpose option to switch rows to columns or columns to row in Excel. Let's paste this columns data into row. Select that range, click on copy. Now select here any row and right click on it and click on paste special. Now click on transpose, click OK. Now you can see we have copied data from column wise to row wise. Dear friend, today up to this. In the next lecture we'll discuss about Microsoft Excel formulas and functions. Stay with us, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Until then, take care.